In this video, we are going to discuss about restricting remote access and modifying the access list. So, before coming to restricting remote access, we should know about the VTY lines. So, what are these VTY lines? So, this VTY or virtual terminal lines are used to allow remote access to the router, and they don't have any association with the console port or auxiliary port. So, the router has 5 virtual terminal lines which starts from 0 to 4 here. So, coming to the securing remote access here is critical for our business. So, you cannot be compromised because an intruder can be gaining access to the router if you compromise on your securing your router here. So, if you see, you can even modify it which compromises all the components and also other security features configured on the router. So, we have to use this VTY lines to get access the router here. So, you see, the access class command is used in line configuration mode to restrict incoming outgoing connections between the virtual lines. So, you see here, if you enter the router using configure terminal, it will take into the configuration mode, then access list 10 permit this IP address with this wildcard mask. Then you have to give the command here like line VTY 0 to 4 access class command 10 and about the incoming traffic and see here. So, if you give this command, then this access class command in the line configuration mode, so it can restrict incoming and outgoing connections between the virtual lines and the addresses in the access list. That means when you have an address in the access list, so this access class command will restrict the access based on between the virtual terminal line and the addresses in the access list. So, this is about the remote access restriction. So, coming to modification, if you see the show line command here, it will clearly give you the VTY commands clearly and it is in asynchronization mode. So, how to modify the access list? So, coming to modifying access list, so while you are creating access list or after it is created, you might want to delete an entry. So, that means you might want to modify the entry, then you cannot delete an individual entry from the numbered access list. That means you cannot go directly and delete the entry. So, what we have to do? So, no access list n, and after giving that show access list 1. So, it will give you the access list information here. So, the best practice here is to copy this into the notepad before deleting it. So, copy this before deleting it, copy this into the notepad, and you can then modify the access list in the notepad and you can apply it to the router configuration. So, however, to delete an individual entry from a named access list using a no permit command or a no deny command. So, in the next videos, we will be discussing about the numbered and named as we have promised you. So, you will be discussing about this no permit and no deny commands here, so that how to modify the entry in the access list and how to delete and what is the procedure here we will be discussing in the next videos.